Hello plus traders, welcome to another weekly market forecast. Today we are going to just look at the top 5 picks for this week. Before we dive into the charts, let's look at the fundamentals events for this week. So on Tuesday 26, we have the highest impact news day is the unemployment rate in pound. On Wednesday, interest rate decision, raising interest rate decision. Then on Thursday, new home sales and good trade balance. Those are major events. On Friday, producer price index is a major event today, and unemployment for euro. Okay, so that is the major events for this week. It's 25th to 29th January 2021. So we move to the charts. So here is euro. Okay, this is euro USD. We took a trade. We bought this trade last week from the bottom here, from the 1.5593 zone. Move it to the entry time frame. Okay, so this was the trade. Entry was at 1.5611 zone, and TP was up here at 1.58. And you see price have pushed all the way up to take profit level. I'm going to enter this trade again because I still see no potential to be upside, but it's not included in the top 5 picks for this week. I'm just doing an overview of it for those who took the trade with me. Okay, so let's dive into the business of today. So we start with euro card. So euro card have been ranging since September 2020. You can see from here has been ranging between 1.5738 and 1.4023 zone. Here we had a false break, then price pushed to the upside. Then here's another false break that just happened recently, like this month, and price pushed all the way inside again, above the 1.5402 zone. So right now we stay bullish on euro card. We see price rejecting this zone, so we still stay bullish on euro card. And let's go to the entry time frame because we want to trade for this week. So we'll go to the entry time frame and see how we can jump in on this trade. I actually have to extend this trend line here. Now see the breakout and retest there. So this is support zone here and this is the entry zone here. So we want to see price push up this week to the upside. You see push up to the upside, or price may head down, tag this low, then push up. So this is the trade we are looking at for this week. So watch out for price correction around here. If you don't see price drop to 1.5402 zone, just look for a small price correction around here at the current market price, then join it to the top. So we test here and push up or move all the way to the upside. So that's for euro card. We move to the next one, and that is NZD USD. maybe drop the USD. So price have been trending higher since last year. Look at that beautiful trend line there. Since April, after this bounce, price have been trending all the way up. If you can remember last year within this zone, we were looking for selling opportunities, and we had those short-term sales here, and then price pushed all the way up again. Actually, I didn't catch this move, this other move here, this other bullish impulse. I didn't catch that move, so I actually let price run to the top. So the 0.7173 zone, this area here is an institutional level. That's why you see price trying to slow down around this level. So for this week, we want to see price retest this trend line, then continue pushing to the upside. So our trade for this week, let's go to the lower time frame. So we stay bearish on NZD/USD. So this is the entry time frame. So we want to see price close below the 0.7173 zone, retest it, then drop to 0.7104 zone. So if we are not seeing that direct drop to the downside, wait for price to target these highs, let it target these highs, then drop. So that is a trade for this week on NZD USD. So NZD USD price breaks through 0.7173 to 0.7104, or tap this intraday highs, then drops again. So that is for NZD USD. So the next on my list is gold and gold. So this is an interesting pair. It's been moving exactly the way I've been projecting it since for the past weeks now. So you can see price is moving within this bigger channel here. It's a daily channel. Price is moving within it, and here the 1855 zone is an institutional level. You see the bounce of here, and here. So as of last week, price was trading around here, and I mapped out this 1820 and 1802 zone. This was my entry zone. I was looking for buying opportunities within this zone, and last week price did what? Price dropped down, bounced up close like an hammer, and went all the way up as projected. So I'm still bullish on gold. So you see price closed above the institutional level, the 1855 zone, and it should be testing that zone. So all we need now, we still need more. We want to see more buying pressure on gold till price taps the 1915 zone. So let's go to the entry level, the entry time frame, and see what is popping there. Alright, so this is what we find inside the entry zone, the entry time frame. So for this week, watch out for this to break out. Oh, that drawing is bad. I don't laugh. I'll just make sure I delete you from this channel. Alright, so let me use a trend line to plot this out. Okay. Right, watch out for that trend line to break, or better still, you can do this. I haven't prepared this other way. You can do this. Watch out for this to break this trend line. You may see price dragging slowly, tap this trend line again, then breaks out to the upside. But if that does not happen, let price come into this entry zone again, which is the 1820 zone, and the 1802 zone. let price tap this zone before you take it to you buy to the upside. Right, so that is for gold. Okay, before I continue, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now and like the video if you have learned a thing or two from it. So let's head back to our analysis. So we just finished with gold, and the next one on my list is Bitcoin. I know you have been waiting for this particular one. Bitcoin has been moving up like I heard it's going to the moon. I don't know if it's true. Remind me, guys. So last year the all-time highs for Bitcoin was 27. Wait, don't want to make a mistake right here. Right, the all-time highs for Bitcoin was around 27k 959. That was the all-time highs. You can see this is just a monthly candle. So within this month we have seen Bitcoin at 42k, and this may be a bigger correction. I've done this in the previous market last week market podcast. I said this may be a bigger correction. We might see an A, B, C, D move, then price correction to the upper side of the chart. So last week we saw price testing this lows again. This is an institutional level here. This zone is an institutional level. The 27959 zone is an institutional level that is within this region. So whatever you're doing, when you see price dragging low into this zone again, you look for buying opportunities, right? So for this week, what are we looking for? I'm actually still bullish on Bitcoin. I can't go bearish right now. I'm actually bullish, so I go to my entry time frame to see what is happening there. And here we have an amazing bullish flag. Look at that bounce of there from the entry zone, and this is a bearish flag here. So we might see price break out of this zone. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have another one, then boom, we have that breakout. So watch out for that breakout there. If that breakout doesn't happen, don't panic. Just wait for price to drop down back to this zone, the 29k zone, then you buy it all the way to the top. Alright, so that is the focus on Bitcoin. Alright, so the next on my list right now is Nasdaq. When was the last time you traded Nasdaq? Just comment on this video. When was the last time you traded Nasdaq? Alright, so Nasdaq has been trading way higher. Right, for last year it has been bullish. So around August we got this bigger correction. If you can remember, there's a market forecast I did some months ago, and I said you should expect a bigger correction on Nasdaq, like an A, B, C, D move, and that happened there. So the ABCD moves happened right there. So this was an all-time highs. The 12k 415 zone was an all-time high, and it's an institutional level. You can see price breaking out and retesting that zone, and since then it's been pushing up. So let me actually delete this. I don't like keeping my chart very, so I will delete this. You guys don't mind me, I'm very funny. You go the wrong green. Alright, so this is what we have right here on this chart. You can actually take this off. This is a correction. You can actually take this off. Yeah, so that's off. So this is what is playing right here on this chart. So you see price is technically having an ascending channel. I'm doing this right in your face so you can see it too. Alright, so this is an ascending channel. It's very steep. This is what I call the strong trend. Now, the strong trend in the sense that you need to follow it with care, because at any point in time you may see the word drop. So you need to follow it with care. This is not an healthy trend, but this is a strong trend. So you have to be very careful with the way you are buying into within this channel. You see price bouncing off this channel and it's working perfectly well. But I'm still bullish on Nasdaq. Given the recent price action and this formation we have here. So I want to see price maybe do a little bit of correction and then continue pushing up. Like you see something like this, drop, alright, before that drop to the downside. Alright, so let's go to the entry time frame. Another reason why I'm considering the bullish move is that if we should compare this move here, the range of this correction here, this is about 43 bars. So we compare the range of this correction here and this and the breakout. You see that price still has potential to complete this phase. See where it's ending. So there's still potential for price to complete that phase. Alright, so let me delete that. I don't want to confuse you. So we are targeting high up here, but price will still move in this, within that trend till it taps that top. So that's why I'm still bullish. So the entry time frame. So we have this right here. This looks more like boxes. So we can do this. So watch out for price to break out. I can break out both ways. Okay? So it gets to the top retest, you join it to the top. It gets below retest, you join it to the below. So my buyers on Nasdaq it's a bit in between. So but short term we want to see that push to the upside. So, but this correction within that channel is possible. So in case you see that correction happening, don't panic. Just wait for it to tap the channel support, then you buy to the upside. So just watch out for this to break out this week. Once you get that breakout, you move to the downside retest, you sell. If you see to the upside retest, you keep buying. Alright, so that is all on this week's market forecast. So we have covered Euro, we are bullish, USD we are bearish, gold we are bullish, Bitcoin we are bullish, Nasdaq we are bullish. So if you learned a thing or two from this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video. If you don't like this video at all, you have no choice, just share the video, right? So have a peaceful week ahead.